Hello, my name is Amanda Judkins, and this is for the video about getting acquainted with our professor and fellow classmates. Um, so I created this video for you guys. So a little bit about me. Again, my name is Amanda. I grew up on an acreage in Murray, Nebraska, which is south of Omaha and north of Nebraska City and Highway 75. I grew up with a bunch of animals, horses, sheep, hogs, dogs. So that sparked my interest in animal science, which is one reason why I'm taking this class, because animal science involves business. So following high school, I enrolled and attended UNL, and I actually still attend UNL. I actually changed my major my senior year when I was one class away from graduating to be a agricultural FFA teacher, and then I changed my major from ag ed to animal science. I wanted more options for my career, and I figured that was a better fit for me. So right now I am 5 classes away from graduating from UNL with a BS in animal science. And my husband and I moved to Grand River, Iowa, which is in the middle of nowhere, at the end of September due to my husband's promotion in the NRCS. So my husband and I recently got married. We had a ceremony last June, like last year of June. It was like the hottest day of the year. And he works for the NRCS, and I attend school. So we have 2 dogs, which are black and tan coonhounds, and they're crossed with German shepherds. The coolest thing is that they howl. Their names are Daisy and Duke. As far as pastime hobbies, I love to spend time with my horses, training dogs, take walks, in the country, looking at the stars, listening to music, as well as sewing or embroidering. I'm actually making a quilt as when I'm not in school. So here's a few pictures of me just for fun. On the left-hand side is a picture of me, and then a picture of my husband Matt and I on our wedding day. And then there's Daisy and Duke. They are 10 weeks old this week. So for my future and career goals, I kind of lumped them in together. My career goals are to graduate from UNL, and that's a very recent, within the very near future, goal that I want to have, and I know that I will achieve it. So in next fall, I will graduate from UNL with a BS in animal science. I've been thinking about working for the government. I'm still open to like managing farms or an enterprise or two. But that's what I'm educated in, so I'm really confident in doing that. I've thought about protecting our border crossings as an agricultural agent. They inspect a lot of animals, a lot of trucks, and they prevent any invasive species that may come into the United States or the agriculture as a whole that protect it so that we can enjoy the liberties that we do in this country. I took this course because I'm a transfer over to UNL, so I'm taking this course so I can graduate. But at the same time, animal science in my career is a very big business. It's a booming business. It's always surrounded by companies and business features that you need to know, such as accounting, how to run a business, and how to manage yourself and other people. So that's one reason why I'm taking this class. I also like business in general. My favorite is legal aspects of it. I recently took 2 UNL ag law courses. One of them was water rights, which is really interesting, but I like the law part of business as well. It's appealing to me, and I like to learn about it. I also am a kinesthetic learner, which means that I learn best by doing or hands-on experience. But I'll admit, throwing myself into a project or a new scenario or experience can be daunting at times. So I guess it's a good thing that I'm in an extreme extrovert. My husband is an introvert, so we go good together. But business, you can't always be a introvert or an extrovert. It's how you manage yourself. So that's the key point, I believe. Some additional information. I like to call myself an open book, so if anyone has a question, they can feel free to message me. I don't, if I don't know the answer, I'll find someone who does, or I'll find a resource that can help me out or anybody else out. I sometimes put myself as an ag nerd, if you want to call it that. I was an FFA geek growing up. I showed in 4-H and FFA, and I was involved in other agricultural programs growing up. In high school, my brother and I bought bred and sold 4-H lambs. And my brother and I, who's 2 years older than I am, we ran the business ourselves. But I was 16 when I started, and from then I moved on to Yorkshire Terriers, and I started breeding them when I was in 9th grade. My principal, my FFA advisor, my parents all supervised me while I was doing that. I handled the advertising and marketing by myself for both the lamb business as well as the dogs. And I managed the nutrition, the training of the dogs, the care and management, and all the financial aspects of it. It was all on me. No one would help me with it. I had supervisors that were supervising me to do it, but I did it all by myself. So that's a little bit more information about me. That's my past, my present, and a little bit of my future in a really quick snapshot. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.